I'm not sure if it's if it's working.
Oh, that looks like it could mess up the car windshield.
Yeah, and who is?
Oh, who?
Nice.
Okay.
I guess so. Is it illegal to have a nut which totally black?
A net over your car? Probably. I mean, it's illegal some places to have like blackout windows, right?
Yeah, but usually you can add some foil on your, this tint on your car.
True,
because
true.
it's black, and it's illegal. But is it illegal to use the net?
I don't know. Guys, let us know. Is it illegal to do what they just did?
Yeah,
We just need to know.
for sure. Okay.
Before, after, yeah. Before, it was just the worst.
It's actually, I always put my head between, the car body and the seat, and I'm stuck
Yeah.
there, and
Nice.
it's actually helpful.
I just don't sleep in the car.
No.
I mean, but if you have to sleep in the car, there you go.
Did you ever had some long road to somewhere?
Like a road trip?
Yeah.
I had road trips growing up, but like we would stop in like a little motel or something,
Oh
you know?
boy.
Or like we would camp, you know?
Okay, not
Yeah.
bad. We actually have had some 9 hours road, and during
Oh,
half
yes.
this time I was slept in the car
Okay, fair enough.
while driving.
Guys, what was the most insane road trip you've ever been on? Let us know.
Yes. Okie dokie.
All right, we got this. See, this is my style. I could do this. And then you have to leave the car door open and with your legs dangling out.
But you can drive. Yeah.
See, that looks pretty comfy. I'm alright with that.
It does. Some cleaning foam. Okay, foam everything.
All right, satisfying.
Okay, nice.
A little spray. It's a good looking wheel.
Oh, nice gadget.
Yeah.
This one.
The poop.
The poop.
Ah, more Doritos in the car.
Okay, and here we go.
Ah, smart.
I
It's like
guess.
a MacGyver. Oh,
Whoa!
Wow.
What a nice protection.
protection. I liked it.
Yeah.
All right, good way to paint your wheel. All right.
Okay. Is supposed to.
Oh,
Wow.
okay, get rid of the bends in your car. Not
We
too
need
bad.
To test it.
We should
Not-
test it.
Not bad. Not bad at all.
We're going to test it.
What? Oh,
To get it out?
Yeah.
Why would you want to get out the coolant liquid?
If it was too much, when
okay.
you over.
You overdid it. You overdid it on the coolant
Yeah.
liquid. Yeah, I do that all the time.
That's
Okay,
actually nice.
with a lemon on a drill.
And baking soda?
I feel like the drill could easily go through and then damage the thing.
That's true. You need to be careful
a
with
little
it.
worrying.
Or just use your hand.
All right, cool. You pull that off.
Okay, that actually works, but there was still a dent.
Doesn't it leave a little bit of residue of the glue, or does it come off right away?
I think it come off right away, but if it would stuck some pieces, you can easily remove it with the spray, with a stick remover.
Okay.
It actually works well with the glue gun sticks.
All right. Looks like these guys are playing with a full deck of cards.
Oh, cool.
And goop, cleaning goop.
Goop.
All right. I've
What
always
a-
seen the commercials about cleaning goop, but I've never actually dealt with cleaning goop myself. Do you have any experience?
No,
Okay.
but I need to.
Guys, if you've used cleaning goop, tell us if it's actually effective. I feel like it would get gross after one time. You
Oof.
use it one time and that's it. Like, no more cleaning goop.
I'm not believing in such a thing.
Yeah.
Actually.
Ooh,
It's better towel and some spray.
True.
Cleaner or something.
all right. So they're making their own cleaning goop with a stick.
Yep.
Very nice. All right.
Very good. Very nice.
Looks good. More goop. Okay, it's all goop here today.
What's the point? It's actually this goop mostly from the dust or something like this, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Not from some dirt which already stuck on your wheel.
Yeah. I mean, who
I
eats Doritos in their car? Really, guys? Come on. I'm just kidding. I totally eat Doritos in my car. Okay, so
I sell your car.
yeah, I know it's pretty bad.
Uh-huh.
All right.
What the ugly.
Ugh. I don't like that.
I'm not sure if it's if it's working.
Oh, that looks like it could mess up the car windshield.
Yeah, and who is?
Oh, who is this gentleman? It looks like our friendly neighborhood Doc.
this? No.
Maybe not. I don't know. Yes.
Okay.
All right, tying these together.
Oh, it's just a
It's a
knot.
nice knot
Okay.
for towing stuff.
Okay. Doc knew a lot about knots. I
See,
guess.
yeah, Doc's been a scientist
Yeah.
from a very young age. In that video, he was only 5 years old.
Exactly.
Okay, we're doing some cable management hacks.
Uh-huh.
All right, let's bring this together.
And I think they will get it up to
Okay.
get this shape. To put them on the engine.
Ah, interesting.
Wow, okay, interesting way. Actually,
I
there
guess,
is a
yeah, if you want to warm things up,
temperature,
pop it on your engine. You want to make a cup of coffee that got cold, warm, put it on your engine.
Yeah, but don't drive it at the same time,
No,
I guess.
it's probably not. I don't think that's possible even.
Yeah.
But
Here we
nice.
go. Yeah.
Looks good.
These old style phone cables,
Yes, exactly.
which is nice. Oh, okay.
Magnet light, not too bad.
Yeah, nice.
So we got some car gadgets going on. We got a little self desk.
Oh,
It reminds me of like an airport, like an airplane tray. You know,
yeah.
those are never comfortable to use.
If you spend a lot of time in a car, why not? I think it's useful for the taxi drivers or Uber drivers.
Yeah, yeah. If they need to write their notes and stuff, I don't know, write some poetry. I feel like taxi drivers all are very good poets.
Oh. Yeah.
Ah,
Oh.
I mean, it's obviously, you know, it's not real stuff, but you get the intention there.
Yeah. Coke.
Coke can get rid of bird poop, okay?
Okay.
If you say so. Let's test it. Where do we get bird poop to do
Is
this?
it the point?
Yeah.
I think his water will help you with it.
Oh, it might. Yeah, you're right.
Just the word.
Okay.
Okay. What's with the roof of this car? Look at this.
I don't
What's the
know.
design?
Where does his hat go? His
that
hat
you-
just disappeared. Is that part of the hack?
Yeah, that you can push your car using
Yeah.
this belt, you know?
Yeah, but his hat disappeared, so it's part of the hack.
Okay. Hat or the zipper.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I'm confused then.
It's okay. It's okay. I forgive you.
Thank you, Clint.
Okay.
Okay.
It's good. Water resistance.
Mm-hmm.
Want to watch the iPad while you drive? Don't do that at all.
No.
Never do that. The driver needs all the concentration on the road, so maybe don't distract them with a giant iPad up here.
Exactly.
All right.
So, is it a net for your
Toys for kids.
Nice.
That's nice. Yeah.
Okay. But nothing you can see, you know, in
No.
your mirror.
Oh, hide all your jewelry and your money underneath a coaster.
Perfectly hidden.
Wow.
Wow.
Now I can eat and drink in peace without having to worry about a thief stealing my jewelry.
Yeah. Well, okay. We saw this gadget, right?
Yeah.
They just film it in our way.
Yeah.
Okay.
Very nice. It's like a baby tray.
Yeah.
Ah, interesting.
Left. Right.
Deodorant.
To lubricate your tiny
Gears.
belt.
That really lubricates my gears.
Yeah, not gears. It's design.
Yeah, it's not the
to be
best.
honest.
Yeah.
But okay.
No judgment, but it's an ugly design. Yeah.
It's actually a way.
Who knew you wanted screws in your tire? I thought you wanted to prevent that, but okay.
They actually, I saw some special screws which you can buy to restore your wheel.
So
in
they're
such
like
situation.
intentional for restoring the wheel. Okay, cool.
Can you imagine?
I didn't know.
But as I remember, they are plastic one.
This, I feel like, I don't know. It depends on where your head is. Like, what if one day you have like a crick in your neck, you wake up in the wrong side of the bed, and
Yeah.
you're like, okay, and now you crash into everything on the side of you. It just
Exactly.
doesn't work very well.
And also, if someone move your chair in a car, it's screwed up.
That's it. That's it. You're done for. You
Yeah.
gotta replace it. That's hard work.
Yeah, for sure.
I think we might have gone too far with that one.
Yeah.
Spray paint it instead of cleaning it.
Of course, it works like so now.
Guys, you don't need to clean anything, just spray paint it.
Yeah.
Guys, don't even take a shower, just spray paint skin color on yourself. That's
Exactly.
it. That's it.
What?
I don't actually wash my dishes.
Yeah.
I just get
because-
white spray paint and
That's
there's
nice.
Yeah, there's like some lumps underneath, but
Uh-huh.
it's cool. And I think it's safe eating off of that, right?
Yeah, for sure.
No, it's not. Don't do that.
Don't try it.
Don't do that.
Guys, no. But nice life hack.
Yeah, it's
suggest.
It's life
5-minute crafts.
personal life hack. Maybe 5-minute crafts will take it. All right.
Okay, yeah.
What do we do? Ooh, okay, we got a balloon.
Balloon, and to pour it.
So
and
it's-
it will make this